Hello everyone. So I want to talk to us about the new Nigerian tax law that will commence with effect from 1st of January 2026. I did the part one. So this is the part 2 of the video, because the provisions in that tax law is so broad, and so you can't use one video to be able to explain all. I know something about these things. You have to take your time to explain it, because of course not everybody are tax gurus. Yeah, so it's good for the videos to be short. You explain so people can grasp and understand very well. So this is the part 2 of the video. In fact, I'm going to look at part 3 and part 4, because I tell you the provisions in that tax law is very broad. So this is the part 2 of the video. Now, as a student with no job, will you be taxed? No, you will not be taxed from 2026. No, even if they send you, like maybe your parents send you pocket money and all of that, you will not be taxed as a student with no job. Another one, if you collect the loan, will that loan be taxed? No. If you collect a loan from any of this app or even from the bank, it will not be taxed. Yeah, so let's get that very right. If you collect a loan, maybe for business or for something, anything you want to use that loan for, it will not be taxed. Then another one, we have a lot of in this country, we have the informal sector. What do I mean? We have a lot of one-man business. Yeah, so as a one-man business, if you are a one-man business person, you will not be taxed. But if you register that's your one-man maybe shop or something, if you register it as a business name, then you will be taxed. You will pay personal income tax. If you register that's your one-man business stuff as a company, then you will pay company income tax. Yeah. Now, if you're into shares, maybe you bought shares and all of that. Yeah, if you bought shares, this is how is gonna work. If you bought shares, maybe with any of the banks or wherever you bought your shares, insofar that the amount or the value of the shares is not more than 150 million naira, and also the interest is not above 10 million naira, you will not be taxed. Meaning, if you bought shares worth 150 million naira down, and your interest you'll be getting from those shares is from 10 million down, you will not be taxed. But if the value of the shares that you bought is from 151 million up, then the interest you get is from 11 million up, you'll be taxed. Yeah. Then another thing for us to know is that pensioners, their pension scheme is not taxable. Also too, our military officers, yeah, the salaries of our military officers are not taxable. So I will stop here. I want the videos to be very short so that we can understand. Yeah, it's good for one to make several videos on something little by little so people can grasp very well and understand this. Why are we doing this? So that you start equipping yourself for 2026, which is already around the corner. So information, they say, is power. So it's good for you to have this information on your fingertips so that you begin to make adjustments. Some businesses and companies are already beginning to make adjustments for 2026. So it's good for you to get this information so that you begin to make adjustments. And again, I'm calling on the National Orientation Agency, the professional bodies, the market union associations, the government, the civil society, everybody, NGOs, to cascade this information, to create awareness every day, every week, because those women selling in the market, in one way or the other, they will be impacted by this new Nigerian tax law that will take effect from 1st January 2026. Because I do go to the market, I ask questions. Majority of people in the market don't even understand what is happening. Some they've heard it before, but they don't even understand the working of it. And before you know now, from next year, they start seeing a lot of that they don't understand. So the market union associations, the youth leaders, the women leaders, everybody, all hands must be on deck to be able to cascade this information down there, so that everybody will be aware. Families, bodies, institutions, organizations will start making adjustments for 2026. Thank you so much. Please, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment, like, and share.